Hello everyone. Today we will see how to create IFTT triggers. Let me read the problem statement. I have a terrarium in my house. The terrarium needs sunlight about 2 hours a day average. I should build an embedded system such that it'll measure the amount of sunlight received and send me notification about when it receives and when it doesn't. I can use either mobile notification or email. I'll go with mobile notification. Let's see what are the hardwares required. We need a particle device and ambient light sensor. I don't have an ambient light sensor. Actually, my ambient light sensor is broken, so I'll go with mock-up values instead. That is fake values. So let's see the code. Uh, I had initialized the variable called light level, which will generate a random value of 0 to 300, and random value of 0 to 300. So the light level the sunlight should receive is 100, is greater than 100. So if light level is greater than or equal to 100, the particle will publish an event called sun up private. Else it will publish an event called sun down private. Basically, what happens here is that the sunlight light level is above 100. So what I had done here is that I had initialized the value light level, which will be collecting the which will be generating a random value from 0 to 300. If light level is like greater than 100, I'll be receiving sun up, else I'll be receiving sun down. So here you can see the applet successfully created. I will show you the notification I received my mobile. So I received the notification in the mobile. It is not clear here. I'll show you in the screenshot. I'll show you. So you can see the screenshot. J monitored sun. The sunlight is received by plant. Exactly what we created in the IFTT app. The same I received here. This event will be monitored every 10 seconds. That's what delay of 10,000 means. Let's see whether this event is properly published or not right now. So you can see in the console, the event is sun up. So you can see in my console what are the event is properly published. Sun up, device name is J. You can see the timing, matching time. The time is matching. Same way you can see all the other events published. How it's monitored every 10 seconds, 5 seconds or something. I'll try to show you the notification I received. So it's not clear here. I'll show you the screenshot. But right now, you can just see how the notification arrived in my phone. So you can see in the screenshot, if Jai published sunlight is received by the sunlight. Jai monitored sunlight is stopped. This is for up and this is for down. When the sun is up, I'll be getting this event. When sun is down, I'll be getting this event. So in the IFTTT homepage, if you create a, you should create your IFTTT account using your student email ID. You can see all the three applets are created. IFTTT allows you to create three applets for free. If you want more applets, you need to buy the pro version. So you can see my event here. If Jay published Sun, then send a notification from the IFTTT app. I'll be receiving a notification from the IFTTT app. Basically, what happens is that once the event is published, the IFTT is triggered and the data is received by the application and it is sent to my phone. So you can see all the activities. Whenever I received a notification, I'll be getting over here. Then you can see the notifications I received. So let me show you how to create applet. So we're going to create a IFTT applet. Basically, I have one event called sun and two values up and down, which you can see in the console. Sun down, sun up. We have just two values. So when we create the applet, we have two parts: if this, then that. First, I create the if part. For if part, I'm connecting it to my particle device. So particle new event published. Event name is sun. Sorry, sun. The value is up. Device name is J. Create trigger. So I create a trigger. Now I'm going to create the action for it. Like what should happen when this event is published, when this event happens. Like when sun is up, what should happen? We'll do it. So here email is there, notification is there. We'll go with notifications. Send a notification from the IFTT app. So you need to write the message here. I'm writing the device monitored event, comma, the sunlight is received by the plant. I had created my action. So that's it. Your applet is created. You can give continue and finish. Your applet will be created.